This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to jumpstart a Dodge Ram 1500. First, ensure both vehicles are turned off and parked safely, not touching each other. Engage both parking brakes. Now, locate the positive and negative battery terminals on both your Ram and the assisting vehicle. Always prioritize safety by wearing eye protection and gloves. Next, take your red jumper cable. Carefully attach one red clamp to the positive terminal of your Dodge Ram 1500 dead battery. This terminal is usually marked with a plus sign. Then, connect the other end of that same red cable to the positive terminal of the working vehicle's battery. Ensure these connections are secure and firm to allow proper current flow. Now for the black negative cable. Attach one black clamp to the negative terminal of the good vehicle's battery. For your Dodge Ram 1500, connect the other black clamp to an unpainted metal surface on the engine block or chassis, away from the battery. This creates a safe ground connection and minimizes sparks. With all cables connected, start the engine of the good vehicle and let it run for about 5 to 10 minutes. This allows the dead battery to receive some charge. Then, try starting your Dodge Ram 1500. Once it starts, disconnect the cables in the exact reverse order of connection. Remember to keep your Ram running for at least 15 minutes to fully recharge the battery.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.